How to delete transaction history on Bank of America application. The first things first is of course logged into your Bank of America app using your user ID and password, and then head directly to transactions that you have made from the application. So you'll just have to check the transactions you want to delete and then click the batch actions button, then select delete. Now, can you hide transactions from the Bank of America? No, you cannot, because any purchases you make using your credit card will show up on your account for that month's statement. And some or most of the banking service providers that we used actually do not offer this kind of features because it's actually a security measure or security purposes that you can do. So instead of deleting it, you can go ahead and try to filter out on or what's going to be the visible transaction that you made on the Bank of America that you would like to be visible only. So that's it. Those are the things you can do for you to be able to delete transaction history on the Bank of America app.